You're saying this wrong. And it's making your English sound very basic. Let's fix that. Don't say I am very lazy. Say I lack motivation. Example, I lack motivation sometimes. Don't say I am very focused. Say I'm highly focused. Example, I'm highly focused on my goals.
Don't say I am very distracted. Say I get distracted easily. Example, I get distracted easily. Don't say I am very organized. Say I'm well organized. Example, I'm well organized at work.
Don't say I am very confused about this. Say I'm not clear about this. Example, I'm not clear about this topic.
Great, let's continue.
Don't say I don't care. Say it doesn't matter to me. Example, it doesn't matter to me, you can decide.
Don't say I will try. Say I'll give it a try. Example, I'll give it a try and update you. Don't say calm down. Say let's stay calm. Example, let's stay calm, we'll handle this. Don't say that's not my problem. Say let me see how I can help. Example, let me see how I can help with this. Don't say I don't know. Say let me check. Let me check and get back to you.
Great, let's continue.
Don't say it's easy. Say it's quite simple. Example, it's quite simple once you try. Don't say that's enough. Say that should be enough. Example, that should be enough for now. Don't say I hate this. Say I'm not comfortable with this. Example, I'm not comfortable with this plan. Don't say, do whatever you want. Say, it's up to you. I'm fine with it. Don't say, I am ready. Say I'm all set. Example, I'm all set for the meeting.
Great, let's continue.
Don't say, wait. Say, just a moment. Just a moment, I'll check.
Don't say I don't remember. Say I can't recall. Example, I can't recall the exact details.
Don't say come here. Say could you come here? Example, could you come here for a second? Don't say I am coming. Say I'm on my way. Example, I'm on my way now. Don't say, go away. Say, could you give me a moment? Example, could you give me a moment, please? If you start using these, your English will sound completely different. Subscribe to learn more.